And this is the robot that I built, which was supposed to be the crazy lawnmower. Now, I had to do a last project, so then like my mentors just scroll down and I had to say stop, and then that's how I got to this. It cost me 2 classes just to do this. And the parts I used was were beams, pegs, and motors, and NXT, which is supposed to be right here. And then this is what it does.
What electronic parts did you use?
NXT motors. That's pretty much it.
And the button?
This is supposed to be the lever, which is the sensor. Touch one. And I only recently just built this one, so this is just what it does. I have to keep my hand on the lever. And, oops. And I guess it's done right.
Tiny. Make it go.
Well, he just gave me it, so.
Crazy lawnmower, huh?
Oh my god.
Oh, my came off.
This fell off.
No, it's a boomerang.
No, stop!
Well, that part went off.
Crazy lawnmower, huh?
I think it's here. Yeah, I think that's.
Yeah, right there.
Yay.
I never thought this was a hands-on.
That's cool. Make it sweep.
Any
Make it
questions?
sweep up that eraser.
Go that way now. Go that way.
Make it go backward now. Back to its home.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Wait, so-
Still running?
Yeah, it's still running.
My goodness! You should really make that go above the ground.
Well, he just gave me the program, so yeah.
Make it sweep up the peg.
Well, it's supposed to be crazy, so you won't know what it would be next. He just gave me the program just
Alright guys, any questions?
Throw it inside.
Yes?
Why did you get the program? Did you create it yourself or did you just copy it?
now. One of my mentors just put it on, and I had to copy it because I just recently built this one, and this is my last class. Well, in this 12-day session.
Any other questions,
More
guys?
questions?
Yes?
Why didn't Friday to do this?
I just I wasn't exactly inspired to want to build this. I have to do one last project before my 12-day session is gone, used up. So my mentor had to scroll down, I'd say stop, and point at the robot, and that's how I got it.
Any other questions, guys?
My shirt.
Awesome. Thank you, Anthony.
Your shirt